Dear customer, how would you like to skyrocket your affiliate commissions super fast? Affiliate marketing has made businesses millions and ordinary people millionaires. Also, when it comes to monetization, affiliate marketing has been the marketer's bread and butter for as long as we can remember. The practice is as simple as it gets. Promote another company's product and get paid in commissions for sales closed. Most importantly, it's significantly less time-consuming when compared to other marketing methods, and it enables you to enhance your paychecks from the comfort of your own home. And as more businesses are going digital, advertisers and brands are also on the lookout for affiliates to partner with. That's why affiliate marketing has witnessed a boost since the COVID-19 outbreak. But affiliate marketing is not that easy. And affiliate work may be a tough one. It's not always stock photo style work from a Starbucks or on a hammock on the Virgin Islands, especially not in the midst of the coronavirus crisis. With so many niches, a number of marketing angles, a variety of products, and a wide range of affiliate marketing verticals, finding the best one might seem like a complex task. To see success with affiliate marketing and make the kind of money that you want to make, you need to follow a proven roadmap to success. You need to know what's working today, not what used to work. Hence, to help you get started on the right foot,
we have put together everything with step-by-step instructions in our AffiB2A Basic to Advanced Affiliate Marketing video course package. That will show you exactly what you need to do to maximize your profits from your affiliate promotions. Presenting AffiB2A Basic to Advanced Affiliate Marketing video course package. Inside this, you'll get Module Number 1, 14 chapter of step-by-step training videos. It will show you exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing business and run it profitably online for long term. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Module Number 2, 30 chapter of step-by-step training videos. It will show you exactly how to take your affiliate marketing business off the ground and start generating thousands of dollars per day like us. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered everything we think you need to know.
Download this amazing package that will help you to grow your affiliate marketing business to whatever level you see fit. It depends entirely on how ambitious you are and what you want out of it. So why wait? Get started today. Click on the buy button and grab the deal.